I'm going to talk with you a little bit about guardianships in Maryland. They come in two versions: guardianships of the property and guardianships of the person. So basically, a guardian of the property is somebody who handles the financial matters for someone else who is the ward of the guardianship. A guardian of the person makes decisions about medical matters. If a person has to be hospitalized, has to go to a nursing home, an extended care facility, a rehab facility, have surgery, those kinds of decisions. Typically what happens is a relative is alerted to the fact that their relative needs a guardian, either by frequent visits or by neighbors or in some other way, and they then see a lawyer and eventually decide upon whether a petition for guardianship is necessary. If you've listened to my videos and watched my videos on advanced directives and powers of attorney, you know that those documents typically solve the need, and we don't request a guardianship when we have those documents. So typically what happens when we do need a guardianship is the petition is filed. The court will typically appoint an independent lawyer to act as the lawyer for the person over whom the guardianship is sought. Now, in some cases, that person is able to hire their own lawyer and make their own decisions. In the case of a guardianship of the person, if the person over whom guardianship is sought wants a jury trial, that case can be decided in front of a jury. Guardianships of the property are different, with no jury trial right. So this is meant to be a short video. I could go on for a very long time about the ins and outs of guardianships. But if you're listening to this video and there's any way you can get the person who might need a guardianship to legitimately sign an advance directive and a power of attorney, that's what you should do. If they're competent to sign those documents, that's much easier, much less expensive, involves a lawyer preparing documents instead of a lawyer doing a court proceeding and another lawyer representing the person who needs the guardianship.